Hi Year 9, it's Miss Hughes here. I would just like to quickly go over how you can submit your homework for science, because we're moving from paper homework and from the Google Classroom to actually handing it in via our virtual website. So what you are going to do is you're going to go to www.durhamfederation.net. You are going to click on virtual classroom. If you click on the virtual classroom, I'm sure you know all about the Durham Federation by now, but that will pop up and you'll be able to see all of the virtual classrooms for each subject that you do. So maths, English, creative, EBAC, a one for cultural capital, a one for the pastoral team who look after you. So there you will find all the links you need to get to it. So you're going to click on science, and this hasn't changed. There are still challenges and things for you to do. There is still your own section for biology, which you can click on, but there is for biology, chemistry, and physics, I should say. And there is also a tab for year 9 now. So if you click on the year 9 tab, it'll take you to your homework page. So we are going to go down, and the homework that is due in on the 29th. So I do believe that is Monday coming, Tuesday coming, next week anyway. You see there was a big ideas review homework for you to do. So there's a nice little video there for you to watch, and then there is some information about what you need to do. So each time you click on this, you might get a worksheet, you might get a video, you might have just an image, I don't know, anything that we decide you are going to do for homework that week that links to what you were learning. So you've all completed one round of big ideas now. If you had me, you've done the atom, and you've done the history of the atom, and we looked at different things to do with the atom, and I had a really good time teaching it. If you've been doing biology with Mrs. Dutton, you've been doing something different that you have to then create a mind map or some cards that you can revise from. So it's about getting some material together and thinking about ways that all of the things you learned can be linked together, and that is your homework for this week. But like I've said, next week you will have a different homework, and you'll have to come to the virtual classroom, click on your year 9 tab, and load up your homework. Now once you've done your homework, you can click on this button here. Now when you click on this button, it takes you to this page. So you can stick in who is your teacher. So if you've got Miss Dutton, Miss Hughes, or Mr. Adams, it's all one thing. So if you're on the rotation in set 1, 2, and 3, you need to select that one. You are then going to put your name in, and you're going to put what is the title of the piece of work. So for this one, I will put Big Ideas Review, and then you would click the attach or add file. If you're going to submit something, you can drag it in, or you can click select your file from your device. Now if I do that, it brings up mine. You can see I've got loads and loads of different things relating to school here. So recapping key concepts sounds like something that would be part of what you're doing, and upload it. And then what I would do once I've done that is I would click submit. This is obviously a big file, but you would then click the submit button and it would send to your teacher. Now, this means that we can keep track of who's doing their homework and who's doing a really good job and who actually needs to put more time and effort into their homework. So, I hope that explains what exactly we want you to do. I hope you have a nice evening. Bye, Year 9.